He wear no shoes and he got toe jam football. He got monkey finger. He shoot Coca-Cola. He say, I know you and you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. He back production, he got walrus combo, he got no sideboard, he want spinal cracker, he got feet down below his knees. Hold you in his arms so you can feel his disease. Come together right now over me. Come together. Come together. He roller coaster, he got early warning, he want muddy water, he want mojo filter, he say 1 and 1 and 1 is 3. Got to be good looking cause he's so hard to see. Come together right now over me.
Very good.
Come together. Come together. Come together. Come together.
What an ugly yard gnome.
Hey look, a Citrus County bottom.
My name is Sean Evan. I know a lot of songs, so if anybody wants to hear something, as long as it's not Hotel California or Stairway to Heaven or any of that garbage, sure we'll get along just fine. Oh, that's as bad as Freebird. You get one per customer. She packed my bags last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 AM, and I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife. He's lonely out in space on such a timeless flight. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till some brings around I get to find not the man I think I am at home. No, no, I'm a rockin' man.